Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 is the new chip powering most of the flagship Android devices launching in the end of 2021 or in the beginning of 2022. And according to the Qualcomm, the high-end chipset is manufactured using the most advanced 5nm process technology, and it could provide a huge performance boost as compared to its predecessor Snapdragon 888. So if you are looking for a powerful smartphone powered by the 888 Plus chipset, this video will help you out in choosing the best phone for you. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Vivo X70 Pro Plus. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus is a premium flagship smartphone that finally checks all the boxes. Unlike the Vivo X60 Pro Plus, the Vivo X70 Pro Plus offers everything a premium smartphone should have, along with some unusual camera features. The curved edge display has been upgraded to a 120Hz 1 billion color W Quad HD Plus resolution panel, which delivers natural looking colors and high brightness, and it also offers HDR10 and HDR10 Plus, which enhances your viewing experience. The phone loses the fox leather back of the X60 Pro Plus in favor of an elegant matte finish glass back that remains smudge free. It also has a matte finished metal frame along the sides. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, software and overall device performance was great as seen in many of the reviews. Coming to the camera, which is the major attraction of the smartphone comes with a quad rear camera setup at the back comprising of primary 48MP camera plus 50MP second camera plus 12MP plus 8MP of other sensors. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and it comes with up to 256GB of internal storage. You can consider this amazing smartphone for its elegant design, IP68 rating, sharp 120Hz display, excellent video stabilization, good low light camera quality, great battery life and very good performance. The only disappointment here is the telephoto performance could be better. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Xiaomi recently launched its much-awaited under-display selfie camera smartphone Mi Mix 4. Coming to its detailed specification, the smartphone comes with an amazing 6.67" of beautiful display with a Quad HD resolution and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The Mi Mix 4 is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 108MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.95, a second 13MP camera and a third 8MP camera. And also it comes with a 20MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions, the phone measures 8.02mm in thickness and weighs around 225 grams. The smartphone was launched in ceramic black, ceramic white and ceramic grey color. So till now the smartphone is limited to China, and in the coming days the smartphone may be launched in other Asian countries, maybe in Europe and America also. Asus ROG Phone 5s Pro, an advanced version of the Asus ROG Phone 5. Coming to the detailed specification of this phone, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.7" display that will give you amazing gaming experience. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset coupled with up to whopping 18GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and comes with a huge 6000 mAh of battery, which is a removable battery, and also comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the number of sensors are limited here. It comes with a dual rear camera comprising of 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 and then 13MP camera. As far as selfie camera is concerned, it comes with a 24MP front selfie camera that takes decent selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone is very thick, measuring 9.9mm in thickness and weighs around 238 grams. The smartphone comes in a phantom black color. Honor Magic 3 Pro. Honor Magic 3 Pro is an amazing flagship camera smartphone recently launched from a sub-brand of Huawei, Honor. Coming to its detailed specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.76-inch of display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android Auto software and packs 4600 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Honor Magic 3 Pro on the rear packs a quad rear camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.9, a second 64 megapixel camera, a third 64 megapixel camera and a fourth 13 megapixel camera. So this is a great camera hardware that Honor 3 Pro has, and it is sure to give the incredible picture quality. On the front there is a 13 megapixel of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions, the phone measures 8.9mm in thickness and weighs around 213 grams. The smartphone was launched in amazing colors like bright black, glazed white, gold colors. Eco 8 Pro. Eco 8 Pro is a flagship smartphone from Eco, which is a sub-brand of Vivo. Coming to its detailed specification, the smartphone comes with an amazing 6.78-inch of display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The Eco 8 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Vivo Eco 8 Pro on the rear packs triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.75, a second 48 megapixel camera, a third 16 megapixel camera. It also features a 16 megapixel of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions, the phone is little bit thick, measuring 9.19mm in thickness and weighs around 202 grams. The smartphone was launched in Legendary Edition and track version colors. So these are the amazing best Snapdragon 888 Plus powered smartphone that you can consider to buy for 2022. If I had left any of the best one in this list, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.